storage tanks.
Sona Industries Gas Limited was incorporated in September 2011 for the production of oxygen, medical oxygen, nitrogen, acetylene, argon, helium, propane, and carbon dioxide.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, please, can I have your name, please?
My name is Venkata Katikala. I am the Managing Director of Sona Industrial Gases Limited. We have started this company on 6th October 2011. After that, we have installed oxygen plant, nitrogen plant, CO2 plant, and again acetylene plant. And we have installed argon filling compression station also. So now, actually, it is a application selling. That means we are supplying to all our customers as per their need. So we are supplying oxygen, nitrogen, argon, acetylene, helium, and other specialty medical mixer gases. That one earlier they are bringing from outside of Nigeria some of the mixer gases. As per customer application, we are manufacturing here argon CO2 mixer gases, so to eliminate the importation from outside of Nigeria. So we have made it 3-4 gases: argon CO2 mixer, argon CO2 and oxygen mixer, argon CO2 and nitrogen mixer. Like that, it is few. We have made it some 5-6 mixer gases in-house, and we are supplying to our customers. Like as Nigerdac, we are supplied plenty of gas to argon CO2 mixer gases, and again we are supplying to Dangote refinery and fertilizer. So maximum gas we have supplied. Last 3 years we are supplying to Dangote Group. Entire Dangote Group we are supplying to Ibese, Coco, Mobajana, and this refinery and fertilizer also. And our vision is we are the number one in Nigeria for the industrial and medical and specialty gases in Nigeria. And we have to supply our liquid CO2 and specialty gases to ECOWAS countries like Benin Republic, Ghana, and Togo. That is our motto actually. So we have started. We have both CO2 plants. We are supplying to all the MNC companies, which is beverages. They are making minerals and again cool drinks, whatever may be, and uh, beer companies also. We are supplying all the people. And again, helium is supplied to some of the companies where they are using this featured question and others. We are supplying to helium. And again, Indorama Petroleum in Port Harcourt also. We are supplying Lagos as well as Wata and Port Harcourt. And entire all corners of Nigeria we are supplying to our customers. We have 250 customers, entire Nigeria. We are supplying, we have fleet of vehicles. We are supplying to all the corners of Nigeria.
Okay, let me chip in a little bit. How have you been able to attain to your target? So, what is your target so far?
Our target is actually, it is in the financial terms.
If it's financial terms or the customers,
Okay.
how you
Customers,
target
actually,
aim
our
is.
customers at present we have 250 customers. We are trying to increase that number to 500 customers in next 1 year.
So, how are you going to do that? How has been your marketing?
No, we have the
Platform.
marketing team. Mr. Tayo is heading the entire marketing, and again we have another person. He went for leave, so we are supplying. We are concentrating on the Port Harcourt area oil and gas companies. So we are supplying to specialty gases and mixer gases, so that uh, volume will increase, and again company growth will be increased in 1 year's span time.
Okay, so let's talk about your producing plants.
Yeah. Yes.
How much of the capacity do you have?
Actually, we have liquid CO2 is 40 tons per day production capacity is there. And again, we have the customers we are supplying continuously. It is running 365 by 24 by 7. Each plant is running like that. It is a continuous process plant. We are using natural gas for burning, and after that we are producing liquid CO2. Actually, we are not using diesel. Diesel is having some uh, contamination. That's why we are not using diesel. And again, natural gas is the eco-friendly. That's why we are using the natural gas to produce the liquid CO2. Oxygen plant, we have daily 700 cylinders production plant. We are supplying all the customers. And acetylene also we can produce up to daily 200 cylinders. We are supplying that much quantity every day. And again, argon, whatever maybe we are producing, that is maybe 500 cylinders per day. If it is a demand, we can increase up to 1000 also. There is no issue in that one. We have the facility for that one, but we are using one pump only. If it is required, we can use it two pumps, and we can fill it up to 200,000 cylinders also.
Okay. Okay, let's look at the operations. How has been the operation so far?
Yeah, actually, we are operating in safety is our concern. We have already occupational health and safety management system certificate we have, and again we have the quality management systems also. So we are doing our operation optimum safety requirement, and it will be accident free for entire company's history like that. Our motto is that one. We have to make it like that.
Okay.
So, and again, our employees are already trained. Whenever we are taking the person, we are giving some training for 1 or 2 months. So, because of this is a gas industry, that's why we are giving the safety training. Then only we will take it in service, and after that, they are doing as per their knowledge good job.
Okay. Is there another thing you want to say to your customers or to Nigerians?
No, no. Actually, what happened? We are supplying our customers in time, right time, and in time only. We are supplying all our customers. They have given some appreciation also. So, if you see Dangote Group, we have supplied all the companies: Boko, Wabajana, Ibese, and again Dangote Fertilizer and Refinery. Actually, last 3 years that project is going on. Till now, we are supplying all the gases, oxygen, nitrogen, argon, helium, everything we are supplying. And the Dangote is our big customer actually. So we are supplying everything. We have fleet of vehicles, so we are supplying in time. So there is no issue again.
Yes, CO2, as I mentioned, CO2, we supply CO2 to various food and beverages companies. We supply to companies like Nigerian breweries, Nigerian bottling companies, and we supply to Strong Park, just to mention a few. This CO2 is being produced through natural gas. We have a process to process whereby we can produce CO2. We can produce CO2 through diesel, using diesel as a support. But when you are using diesel, you have a carbon element in the CO2. So that affects the human system, that is the lungs. So what we are doing here, we don't produce through CO2, we avoid that, we are produced through natural gas. And when you have a natural gas, that means you have a perfect CO2 without having any carbon. So, and this particular CO2 is being used for all these drinks industry, beverages industries in Nigeria. So we are also looking forward to spend our spectacles to the neighboring country like Ghana, Togo, and Benin, that's Benin Republic. So we are trying to, because we discovered through our research that we conducted of recent that most of those neighboring country, they don't have the kind of capacity we have here in terms of production. We have two plants which can produce the CO2. We have a 1000 kg per hour, and then we also have a 500 kg per hour, so which runs 24 hours on daily basis. So we don't off our plants, and we, due to the customer base in Lagos, we don't shut down the CO2 plant. It runs 24 hours. So the other gases which I need to mention, which are helium and argon. Argon gas, we compress argon here in our factory. The argon is being used for, I mean, some of these industries like food industries. As in the course of my discussion, I've been mentioning foods. So when you want to process your food, you have to process your food through a stainless steels. So the carbon, what we use to wear the stainless steel is the argon gas. And if you observe also in various homes in Nigeria now, we are using stainless rails. So this argon is particularly used in welding the stainless rails. So when you check Cadbury, you check Nigerian Nestle Nigerian PLC, where they process foods, and some other companies like that, just to mention few. So we produce argon in large quantity here. Then let me talk about nitrogen, which is also used for preservatives. That's a food preservation. Nitrogen gas, we produce nitrogen gas. Most of these gases we produce here, uh, in some other countries, when we talk about Ghana, they do import it from overseas. But locally here, we produce it here in Nigeria. And we also have some customers in Port Harcourt, where we spread our spectacle to Port Harcourt, where we have customers in Port Harcourt that consume all these various gases as mentioned earlier. Then we talk about our customer base. The customer base we have to about 250 customers as of today. We have them in Lagos, we have in Ogun State. We have so many industries in Ogun State. When we talk of Ota, we have industries in Ota. And when we talk of Imuwe as well, we have industries there. So, and Lagos, Apapa area, we have a lot of customers areas. When we talk of hospital like Lagoon hospitals, we do supply from all the way from Ogun State here to cater to their needs.